Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide columns in Excel using keyboard. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to use totally now keyboard. You can use the arrow key, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Okay. So you can use the arrow key to select the particular cell. So here I'm going to hide the column D to G. Okay, these four column I'm going to hide. So I select the first cell of the D, okay, then press the shift key, then use the right arrow key to select the all four column first cell, okay, then hold the shift key, then press the control key, then use the down arrow to select the entire column. Okay, after that use the shortcut key to hide this column. So Alt H O U C to hide the column. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.